The Goodyear Eagle Sport all-season tire will offer fantastic grip in dry conditions while still being rather useful in the wet or even snowy conditions as well. Now, this highly rated all-season tire will be available in sizes to fit a 17, 18, 19, and 20-inch wheel, with section widths ranging from 205 on the smaller side all the way up to a 275 on the wider end. Pricing will remain affordable for most sizing in the category and will range from around $100 per tire all the way up to around $300 for the 265/50 R19. Now, Goodyear is one of those tire companies that seems to offer a million different options within their lineup, and the Eagle here in particular, I would say, is one of the most popular and is going to consist of tires like the Sport All Season we're talking about today, all the way down the line to the extremely capable F1 Supercar tire, which by the way came stock on the 13 and 14 Shelby GT500s. But coming back to the Sport All Season we have here, I would say this is going to be one of your more aggressive all-season tires in Goodyear's rather expansive lineup, and in my opinion would be an excellent choice for Mustang owners out there who are looking for one tire to get them through all 4 seasons and might not live in those perfect weather states. That's because this thing is going to provide you with a bunch of grip when it's warm and dry out, but when things get a little bit colder, you see some wet days, even some light snow, this thing will still get you through some of those inclement weather days. Now, on top of that, I would even say in the category when it comes to ultra high performance all season, the Goodyear might just offer some of the best snow traction for the money. As far as the tread of the Goodyear Eagle here, I will say it is asymmetrical, which will allow for some traditional rotations and will help the tire achieve a manufacturer-claimed 50,000-mile lifespan. Tread compound here does feature a good amount of silica and is going to get a 560 for tread wear, along with a single A for traction and a single A for temperature, respectively. But dissecting the tread design here with the Goodyear a little bit further, you're going to see some linked shoulder blocks on both inner and outer shoulders. That will help you with turn and responsiveness, along with the notch center rib here running the circumference of the tire itself. That's going to help you with some straight line stability, grip, things like that, in addition to a ton of siping on this tire, so really helping you in the wet weather. But at the same time, you can expect a very, very quiet ride out of this tire, and that's something that you will see present in a lot of the customer reviews. As always, gang, keep in mind the Goodyear Eagle all-season tire is available with a number of your favorite wheel designs here on the site. These things are available for free mounting and balancing, optional TPMS install if needed, optional nitrogen fill, and last but not least, they will ship to your door absolutely free of charge. So again, guys, wrapping this one up, if you are the type of Mustang owner who relies on one set of tires to get you through all 4 seasons but don't want to compromise performance, be sure to check out the Goodyear Eagle Sport all-season tire right here at AmericanMuscle.com.